Hi all, welcome to our class. In this section, we can discuss some problem from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. First question, if the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC are 1, 1, 2, minus 3 and 3, 4, find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC. So our question is, we have a triangle, the name of the triangle is ABC and the midpoint of triangle ABC is F, D, E, F. D, E, F are the midpoints of triangle ABC. Midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively. So, F is the midpoint of AB, D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC. So, we know the coordinates of F, E and D. D is 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3 and F 3, 4. These are the coordinates 1, 1, 2, minus 3 and 3, 4. We have to find the coordinates of triangle ABC. A, B, C. We have to find the coordinates of A, B and C. So, A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. So, we have to find the coordinates of A, B and C. So, we know midpoint formula. Midpoint formula means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the midpoint formula for two coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Let us consider AB. Let us consider side AB. We know the coordinates of A and B, x1, y1, x2, y2 and 3, 4 is the midpoint F. So, we know x-axis, x coordinate is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2. So, this formula applied to this side. So, which means here x1, x2. So, x is equal to, this is x, if we consider xy as this, x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So, line joining A and B, F is the midpoint. So, we know the coordinates 3, 4. So, we know xy is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 by 1, x2 by 2, xy is 3, 4. So, applying this formula, midpoint formula here, we have xy means 3, 4, which is equal to x1 by x2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which means 3 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, which is equal to 3, and y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal to 4, which means x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 into 3, 6, and y1 plus y2 is equal to y1 plus y2 is equal to 4 into 8. So we have two equations, x1 plus x2 is equal to 6 and y1 plus y2 is equal to 8. So we have two equations, x1 plus x2 which is equal to 6, question 1, then y1 plus y2 which is equal to 8. Let us give the equation name after writing all the x coordinates. So, first we consider AB. Now we can consider BC. When we consider BC, 1, 1 is the coordinates of D. So, x2 plus x3 by 2, x coordinate 1, 1 is equal to, here x2 by 2, x3 by 3. So, x2 plus x3 by 2 and y2 plus y3 by 2, which means x2 plus x3 by 2 which is equal to 1 and y2 plus y3 by 2 which is equal to 1. So, x2 plus x3 is equal to, x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 and y2 plus y3 also. So, we have another set of formulas. x2 plus x3 is equal to 2, equation number 2, and y2 plus y3 which is equal to 2. So we consider the second line segments. The last one is, so 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 which is equal to a x1 y1 c x3 y3, which means x1 plus x3 by 2, x1 plus x3 by 2, and y1 plus y3 by 2. So x1 plus x3 is equal to by 2, which is equal to first 2, and y1 plus y3 by 2 which is equal to minus 3, which means x1 plus x3 is equal to 2 into 2, 4, y1 plus y3 is equal to 2 into minus 3, minus 6. So we got another set of formulas. x1 plus x3, x1 plus x3 which is equal to 4, and y1 plus y3 which is equal to minus 6. So this is equation number 3. Then we can get this as 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Solving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, we will get the values of x1, y1, s2, y2, s3, y3. Let us solve equation 1, 2, and 3. First I am going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. We are going to add equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Means adding LHS and adding RHS. Here x1, here also x1. x1 plus x1, 2x1 plus. Here s2, here s2, 2x2. Then s3 plus x3, x3 plus s3, 2s3, which is equal to RHS. 6 plus 2 plus 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4. So we got x1 plus x2 plus, 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 12. We can take 2 outside. So when we take 2 outside, 2 into x1 plus s2 plus s3 which is equal to 12. Then when this 2 goes to RHS, we will divide with the 12. We get x1 plus x2 plus x3 which is equal to 12 by 2, 6. So we got x1 plus s2 plus s3 which is equal to 6. Now look at here. We know x2 plus x3. x2 plus s3 is 2. Here s2 plus s3. Instead of this x2 plus s3, we give the value 2. Then we will get the value of x1, which means x1 plus s2 plus s3. From equation 2, we will get the value of s2 plus s3, that is 2. So x1 plus 2 which is equal to 6. Therefore x1 is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So we got x1 is equal to 4. And we know x1 plus s2 is equal to 6. So x1 plus s2 is equal to 6. In this equation, we can give this as equation number 7. So in this equation, we can give value for x1 plus s2. x1 plus s2 is 6. So 6 plus x3 is equal to 6. Therefore x3 is equal to 6 goes to RHS. 6 minus 6 which is equal to 0. So we got s3 is equal to 0. So s3 is equal to 0. Substituting the value of x3 is equal to 0, we got s2 is also 0. So s3 is equal to 0, we got s2 is equal to 2. Substituting the value of s3 here, or we will get the value of x2, which means s2 plus s3 is equal to 2. s3 is 0, therefore s2 plus 0 is equal to 2, therefore s2 is equal to 2. So we got values. x1 is equal to, solving this, we got x1 is equal to 4 and s3 is equal to 0 and s2 is equal to 2. So we got three values for x1, x2 and x3. Now we can solve equation 5, 4, 5 and 6. Adding, we will get 2y1, y1 plus y1, 2y1, y2 plus y2, 2y2, y3 plus y3, 2y3, 2 taking outside, 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 which is equal to 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 6, 10 plus minus 6, that is plus 4. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. Cutting with the 2 and 4, dividing with the 2, we will get division by 2, 2. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Now we know the values of y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 is 8. So 8 plus y3 is equal to 2. y3 is equal to 2 minus 8 minus 6. So we got y2 is equal to minus 6. Then y2 plus y3 is 2. Substitute y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 2. 2 is equal to 2. Therefore y1 is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So we got y1 is equal to 0. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. We got y3 is equal to minus 6 and y1 is equal to 0. Then we have to find out y2. y3 is minus 6 and y2 plus y3 is 2. y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Therefore y3 is minus 6. So y2 is minus 6 is equal to 2. y2 is equal to 2 plus 6, 8. So we got y2 is equal to 8. So by solving these equations, we got y2 is equal to 8. y2 is equal to 8. y1 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 0 and y3 is equal to minus 6. y3 is equal to minus 6. So we got x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So the coordinates are x1, y1. This is the coordinates of A, x1, y1. That is A is 4, x1, y1. That is 4, 0. Then s2, y2, 2, 8. 2, 8. And s3, y3, 0, minus 6. 0, minus 6. So these are the coordinates of A, B and C. So the coordinates of A, B, C are 4, 0, 2, 8 and 0, minus 6. Another question. The midpoints of the line segment join the points A, x, y plus 1 and B, x1, x plus 1, y plus 2 is C. Find the value of x and y if the coordinates of C are 3 by 2, 5 by 2. So line segment joining the points A and B, that is x, y plus 1 and x plus 1, y plus 2. Midpoints C 3 by 2, 5 by 2. We have to find the values of x and y. We know x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the midpoint formula. Here C 3 to 5 2. So 3 by 2, 5 by 2 is C. So C 3 by 2, 5 by 2 which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Here x1 in place of x1, x. Here x plus 1. So x plus 1. x1 plus x2. That is x plus 1 by 2. And y1 plus y2 by 2. That here y plus 1 plus y plus 2 by 2. So C 3 by 2, 5 by 2 which is equal to x plus 1 by 2, y plus 1 plus y plus 2 by 2. That is 3 by 2 is equal to this and 5 by 2 is equal to this. Which means 3 by 2 is equal to or x plus 1, that is 2x plus 1 which is equal to x plus 1 which is equal to 2x plus 1 by 2 which is equal to 3 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Which means, and y plus 1 plus y plus 2, that is 2y, y plus y, 2y, 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 3 by 2 which is equal to 5 by 2. So we have 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 and 2y plus 3 by 2 which is equal to 5 by 2. Which means we can cut this 2 and 2. 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. X is equal to 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Here 2y plus 3 by 2 which is equal to 5 by 2. We can cut this 2 and this 2. Then 2y plus 3 which is equal to 5. 2y is equal to 5 minus 3. 2y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. So, we have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So, the coordinates are y plus 1, x1 plus s1, x plus 1, y plus 2. So, x is 1 and y is also 1. So, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Coordinates are 1, 1 plus 1, 2 and here 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Coordinates are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.